right now, there's a whole new wave of creators turning AI videos into daily income streams without ever showing their face. And the interesting part is that it's not about going viral or getting millions of views. It's about using a specific strategy that starts by building an AI avatar that grabs attention, positioning yourself around a specific pain point, and then turning that attention into consistent income by selling products. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how this business works and show you my secret methods to generate viral videos in one click. But first, need to pick an emotional pain point to target and build your content around. You can either come up with an idea yourself or use AI to help you brainstorm. Below this video, you'll find my own prompt that helps you discover high-demand pain points and profitable niches. Simply copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT or Claude, and you'll get a list of ideas along with the exact target audience and even product ideas you can sell. I already picked an idea for this video and built my online store around it. As you can see here, I'm selling an ebook in the health niche that targets bloating. And you'll also notice I'm using a .store domain, which is always my go-to. A .store domain works just like a .com, but it's specifically made for online stores. So when someone lands on your website, they instantly know they're looking at a store. All you have to do is search for the domain name you want, and if it's available, move to the checkout page. Normally, these domains cost $29, but if you use my code 10x income, you can get yours for just 99 cents, which is an incredible deal. Once you complete the checkout process, you'll officially own your own .store domain, which means you'll be using the same domain extension as huge brands and creators like MrBeast, iShowSpeed, and Cristiano Ronaldo. From there, you can use the Quick Connect feature inside your .store dashboard to connect your domain to platforms like Shopify in just a few clicks and finish setting up your store. And if you didn't know, research shows that online stores using .store domains get more clicks. So go ahead, use my link in the description and grab your .store domain for just 99 cents. Alright, so there are hundreds of accounts using this business model, and most of them are actually pretty new. Take this account here for example. It was launched in April this year, which is only like 3 months ago at the time I'm recording this video. And as you can see, it's already grown to over 600,000 followers, with most of the videos getting hundreds of thousands, some even millions of views. If we take a closer look, you'll notice they're targeting a very specific angle. They've positioned themselves as an ancient Asian grandmother sharing health and wellness remedies for an American audience, which I honestly think is a really smart positioning. Most of their videos target a specific emotional pain point, and they always start with a strong hook to grab attention. But what's really interesting for us is how they're turning that attention into money. Let's take this video right here, with over 600,000 views that was published only 6 days ago. Now, if we look at the caption, it says, "Comment the word book to get the remedy book." And if you scroll down to the comments, you'll see people commenting that exact word and automatically receiving a reply saying the book has been sent to their DMs. Now, if we check the bio, we can see they're selling this $14.99 ebook with health and wellness recipes. And that's exactly how they're making money. They post a video, then use a tool called ManyChat to automatically send the product link to anyone who comments the keyword. So now that you've seen the proof of demand, let me show you how to create videos like these from scratch. So to start, you need to find a viral video to use as inspiration. Let's take this one here as an example and copy the video link. Then head over to this free Instagram Reels transcript generator and paste in the link to extract the exact script used in that video. This is incredibly helpful because you now have a proven script structure that you can use as a template for your own content. For example, instead of the original turmeric on a boiled egg concept, I rewrote the script around cinnamon on pineapple. Now, this is just a simple example to show you how the process works. I highly recommend taking the time to come up with original, valuable ideas. Another thing you can do is take that original script, give it to Claude, and ask it to use the structure as a template to write a brand new script for your own idea. That alone can save you hours of writing. Alright, so now that your script is ready, it's time to create the video. We'll be using Seedance inside OpenArt, and to get started, we first need a base image to use as a reference. The easiest way to do that is by taking a screenshot from the original video, uploading it to Claude, and using a prompt similar to this. Give me a super detailed JSON prompt for Nano Banana to create an image that exactly matches this reference image, but replace the subject with an athletic black man in his 30s holding half of a pineapple and naturally sprinkling cinnamon on top of it. The scene should take place in a natural kitchen background with raw, unedited iPhone camera quality. So what I basically did here was ask the AI to recreate the original image, but with a new character and a new concept. Once you hit enter, you'll get this detailed code prompt. All you have to do after that is copy that code, paste it into OpenArt, choose GPT Image 2 as the image model, and hit generate. And as you can see, this is the image I got. I really love how it turned out. It looks super realistic. So now we're going to use this image as the reference for our video. Again, inside OpenArt, head over to the video creation section and start by uploading the image we just generated as a reference. For the video model, we're going to use Seedance 2.0. The reason I like Seedance is because it's incredibly advanced, and with just a single reference image, it can generate multiple shots up to 15 seconds long. And here, we need to paste in the video prompt. And this is one of my favorite ways to write Seedance prompts. I first describe the overall video style at the top, things like the camera setup, the location, the pacing, the creator reference, and the overall vibe I want the AI to follow. Then, I split the entire video into individual shots. For each shot, I describe exactly what's happening, what action the character should perform, and the dialogue they should say. For example, in shot 1, I tell the AI to hold up the pineapple, sprinkle cinnamon on top of it, and say, "Put cinnamon on pineapple," and watch what happens. Then I repeat the same process for every other shot until the full 15-second video is complete. And finally, at the bottom, I include the audio instructions like lip syncing, sound effects, ambience, and anything else I want to stay consistent throughout the video. This gives the AI a very clear structure to follow, which results in much more realistic and consistent videos. So I'll paste in this prompt right here, make sure audio is turned on, set the length to 15 seconds, and hit generate. All right, the video is ready. Let's watch it together.
Put cinnamon on pineapple and watch what happens. Add fresh pineapple, cinnamon, and half a lemon. Then blend everything until it's nice and smooth. It's refreshing, naturally sweet, and packed with nutrients. Comment pineapple below and I'll send you my complete detox protocol.
I mean, I genuinely have no words. That was incredible. Everything feels so realistic, and it's honestly hard to believe it was generated with AI. And of course, you don't have to generate full 15-second videos every time. You can also generate shorter clips to use as hooks, like this one I created here.
Put cinnamon on pineapple and just watch what happens.
Or this one.
Pharmacies don't want you to know this.
From there, simply bring all the clips into CapCut, trim the parts you don't need, add captions, and you'll end up with something like this.
Put cinnamon on pineapple and just watch what happens.
Pharmacies don't want you to know this.
Add fresh pineapple, cinnamon, and half a lemon. Then blend everything until it's nice and smooth. It's refreshing, naturally sweet, and packed with nutrients. Comment pineapple below and I'll send you my complete detox protocol.
Now, of course, this was just a quick demo. I'm sure if you spend a bit more time experimenting with prompts and ideas, you'll get even better results. From there, all you have to do is keep creating and posting content consistently. And if you stay consistent, you'll eventually start seeing results.